So the Maverick presents the first of my round-by-round roundups for the brand new Jamaica Premier League. And guess what? There was no outbreak of COVID-19. In fact, we understand that there were 0 negative results from all the tests done for the first round. In terms of the football, the standard of the football was no worse than before. And again, the youngsters of Cavalier caught the eye in a comfortable win over Humble Lion, with young Dwayne Atkinson showing some good qualities on the ball, scoring a brilliant goal and impressively assisting on another. But you don't know, we must find a Maverick twist to the tale. In the chairman of the JFF Technical Committee, Mr. Rudolph Speed, who is also the head cook and bottle washer at Cavaliers FC, was right there on the bench directing the Cavalier team, even getting a yellow card from the referee. But as per the standard football practice, this is a clear conflict of interest. Mr. Speed needs either to excuse himself from direct and active involvement with Cavalier or excuse himself from the JFF Technical Committee. The optics don't look good, Mr. Speed. The technical boss of the nation's football, not supposed to be actively seen to be coaching a team in the league. Mr. Speed, please fix this, and fix this speedily.